What if you could see your new website before you actually hire a web designer? Usually, when you hire a web designer, you pay first and then wait to see what they create. I do things differently. Before you spend anything, I'll build your actual homepage so you can see exactly what you're buying. I'll study your existing website, your business, your services, and your brand. Then, I'll create a custom homepage and put it on a live demo URL. You can look at it, test it, and decide for yourself. If you like the homepage, hire me, and we'll continue with your website. If you don't like it, no problem. You simply walk away without paying anything. No templates, no guessing. No paying first and hoping you'll like the result. See it first, like it, then hire me.